Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Gigabyte model and BIOS version so you know which menu labels to expect. Once done, shut down and connect a USB keyboard. Power on and press Del or F2 repeatedly to enter UEFI. If Fast Boot blocked the key, disable it in Windows Fast Startup first. This makes entering UEFI reliable. Make sure you have administrator access and, if applicable, a recovery USB. This prevents lockouts while you change security settings. You now navigate the UEFI menus. Look under Security, Boot, or Authentication for secure boot options. Once located, change Secure Boot from Enabled to Disabled or set OS type to Other OS if that option exists. This tells firmware to stop enforcing vendor keys. If prompted, confirm you want a clear secure keys. Do it only if you accept losing current keys. Make sure to save changes to a BIOS profile if your board supports it, so you can restore settings later. You finish by saving changes and selecting Save and Exit. Reboot the system to confirm your OS boots without secure boot enforcement. If the OS fails, don't panic. Go back into UEFI, re-enable Secure Boot or restore the saved BIOS profile you created, and retry. If UEFI becomes inaccessible or settings are corrupted, reset CMOS using the jumper or remove the battery for 1 minute to revert to defaults. This restores factory keys and lets you start over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.